Hello, I'm John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Today we're going to take a look at a 2017 Sea Ray 270 SDX outboard. Just give you a little information on the boat first. Obviously the boat's 2017. It has 60 hours approximately on the engine right now. It's equipped with the 300 Verado, as you see. We have SDX on the swim platform, gives it great traction, gives it a great look. Your rear facing seats are multi-position. You also have storage under the seat. Ski tow bar, step to get in over on the starboard side, freshwater shower, stereo remote. In the cockpit, you've got a big L-shaped cockpit, cockpit table, storage under all the seats as well. You see this boat is equipped with the large Bimini with the tower that supports the Bimini. Head compartment as well on the 270, yacht certified. Over at the helm, we have the Ray Marine display, Rockford Fosgate stereo, digital controls for your Mercury as well. Stepping up to the bow, we have a bow table that mounts here, swim ladder in the bow, with the shower here as well. The bow seating is very spacious. You have armrest on each side. Great place to sit here. Snap-in carpet all the way through. Well, again, my name is John Wright at MarineMax in Wrightsville Beach. Glad to show you this boat or any we have in inventory. Give us a call, 910-256-8100.